वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। So,
एक प्रश्न है अस्ति। I got one question for you. The routine one, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat. I'm hearing Parabrahma, Param Brahma. What is the difference and how? I mean, Parabrahma, I know Paradevata, Parabrahma. Param Brahma, what is the meaning of it? Param Brahma, is it then is it different way of looking at it, or Param as?
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devah, Guru Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. That Param Brahma here, Gurur Brahma, Guru. You are talking about the Trinities, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Apart from that, there is one Parabrahma, they say, no? That Param Brahma is being referred here.
Yes, Guru. So the only difference is, I said Parabrahma or Param Brahma. That's where I'm getting two different versions. Yeah.
Okay, two different versions are there. That's what I know.
Yes,
Saraswati Mahodaya Agatavati.
I don't want to miss the class. I just finished work. 1 minute, I'm back.
Okay. This is about the taste, ruchihi, that we had not covered, so I thought we'll do it once.
Amla.
Amla rochate.
Amla.
Jambira phalam asti kila? Amlaha va?
Ruchi amlaha.
Jambira phalena kim kim paktum shakyate?
Jambir phala is lemon.
You are asking what can we cook with that? Jambira palena, Jambira palavodhanam, rasam, Jambira pala, Jambira panakam,
Panakam rochate va?
What is panakam?
Jambira phalasya panake
juice.
Kim vastunam upayogah bhavati.
What is panake?
Panakam. Juice.
Juice.
Lemonade.
Hmm.
The one that is sweet.
Hmm.
The drink that is sweet.
Panakam, Lavanam.
लवणस्य उपयोगं भवति तदनन्तरं
आम्लं आम्लः
Then,
आम्लः
for pickle, what is it?
अवसेचनं
Avasechanam. Avalation. Chutney.
अवलेहं वा
Avaleham. Avaleham. Room freshener. I don't know what.
अहमपि न जानामि.
And cleanser for cleaning brass utensils. I think enough. पानकस्य पदार्थः जम्बीरादि रसं
जम्बीरस्य रसं
जम्बीरस्य रसं शर्करा जलम्
एलाचूर्णः एला इत्युक्ते किम्
कार्डमम्
इलायची this in Hindi ela
ginger. I don't know what it is. We can put little ginger.
आर्द्रकम् तदनन्तरं तिन्त्रिणी अपि अस्ति अत्र तिन्त्रिणी
Tamarind. What did you say for ginger?
आर्द्रकम् तिन्त्रिण्याः उपयोगः कः? अवलेहः क्वथिते अपि उपयुज्यते किल साम्बार् क्वथिते
साम्बार् रसं क्वथिते
लवणः लवणं विना भोजनं न रुचिकरः तथा अपि अस्ति किल एकः राजा पर्यटनं कर्तुं गच्छति सः तस्य तिस्रः पुत्र्यः तां पृच्छति भवत्याः कृते किम् आनेतव्यम् इति प्रथमपुत्री किञ्चित् वदति द्वितीया पुत्री किञ्चित् वदति तृतीया पुत्री तु लवणस्य विषये किञ्चित् वदति इदानीं कथाम् अहं विस्मरामि अग्रिमकक्ष्यायां पठित्वा पुनः कथां वदामि तत्र सा वदति रुचिकरः कः रोचते इति किञ्चित् प्रश्नं पृच्छति राजा सा पुत्री वदति लवणमेव बहु मुख्यः something like that she says I don't remember
how did he like me something like that like salt I like this I like salt something like that
कथां लिखतु महोदय परमेश्वरन् महोदय एतत् कथां संस्कृते लिखित्वा अग्रिमकक्ष्यायां वदतु
अस्तु
कारवेल्लः
Karavellah.
Karavellah.
Karavellah tikta.
तिक्तः
Tikta ruchi.
तदनन्तरं कारवेल्लस्य किं किं कर्तुं शक्यते?
Chips.
चिप्स् भर्ज्
Juice is used as a medicine.
रसः कारवेल्लस्य रसः
Vaidye.
औषधमस्ति
औषधम् औषधरूपेण जनाः स्वीकुर्वन्ति.
Padartham.
अवलेह
व्यञ्जनम्
Avalehya.
अवलेहमपि बहु रुचिकरः. रोचते वा? स्वप्ना महोदये कारवेल्लः रोचते वा?
आं रोचते
रोचते.
व्यञ्जनं
व्यञ्जनं पक्तुं शक्यते कारवेल्लस्य.
Karvai. For sambar, what did you say?
क्वथितं.
Kvatitam api. Not with this, but with bitter gourd.
There will be different sambar.
Jalebi.
Madhuram asti.
मधुरं
Sundaramapi asti.
सुन्दरमपि.
What is it called? Jalebi in Hindi.
जलेबी एव. जलेबी संस्कृते किञ्चित् अहं न जानामि. जलेबी एव वक्तुं शक्यते. जलेबी कथं पचन्ति? अथवा जलेबी पक्तुं किं किं वस्तूनाम् उपयोगं कुर्वन्ति?
गोधूमधान्यस्य flour. Churna, right? For powder, churnam. And sharkara, jalam, elakki churnam, ela churnam, oil. Oil, body is oil.
Thailam.
Agni churna, stove. We need stove. Agni chula, chula. Chilli. Agni chilli.
What do you call gram flour? Besan.
Besan in Hindi. I don't remember anyhow.
Saraswati Mother said something, right?
They use maida or wheat flour.
Jalebi churma. Because everything comes in ready-made, right?
And a skilled hand to make it.
And darvi api chai.
Darvi api avashyakam.
Dadi phalam, right?
Dadima.
Dani-
Dadima.
Radimi.
Dadi.
Dadima phalam.
Dadima phalam.
Hmm. Hmm.
Dadimaphalam Maduram.
Madhuram. Madhuram. Dadima phalarasah. Arogyaya. Bahu mukhyah. कषाय गुणः वर्तते तस्यां कषाय गुणः इति
Kashayam.
That's why it is kept there. Actually for each taste.
Kashayatva. Okay.
Okay. Then this one.
How is it Kasaya?
Kashaya has many meanings. So one of the meanings I have taken here.
Yeah, some pomegranates have that tartness to it. Some are sweet, some are tart. The tart one only is used for medicine.
अत्र किं दृश्यते मरीचिका आर्द्रकम् पलाण्डुः
Palanduhu is onion.
Palanduhu.
लशुनः अपि अस्ति वा अत्र गार्लिक्
नास्ति
लशुनः इस् गार्लिक् लशुनः नास्ति पलाण्डुः अस्ति आर्द्रकम् अस्ति मरीचिका आर्द्रकेन विना चायपानं न रुचिकरः
आर्द्रक कषाय रुचिः
What does ginger's taste?
आर्द्रक रुचिः का
वदतु कटु
Kattu is bitter.
Kattu is
karam.
Hot.
Bitter is tiktam, bitter.
Pungent, I think. Kattu is pungent.
What is Kattu?
Like Maritika is Kattu. It's hot. Kara.
Pungent.
Tikha.
Pungent.
That's where the confusion is. In Hindi, tikha and kadwa. So thick and katu are opposite to that actually.
Kadwa is tikta.
So does the ruchi words change according to the gender? No, right? It's
I didn't understand.
Like marichika, will that change according to the object gender? It's a feminine word. Strilinga subject है ना?
मरीचिका स्त्रीलिंगम् अस्ति आर्द्रकं नपुंसकलिंग.
But katuhu?
न कटुः मरीचिका कटुः मरीचिकायाः रुचिः
katuhu. Same. Okay, that's what I want.
आर्द्रकः रुचिः
कटुः एव.
Different kind of katuhu.
Graded.
Onion also katuhu. Because it makes us cry.
So if you learn Amarakosha, you will find all these things along with their lingam also. Vachana, lingam, everything would be there in Amarakosha. For each and every word, whatever they use those days. All the words have synonyms and their gender and all those things. If you take first, they will talk about Swarga Vargam. In Swarga Varga, Swar iti avyayah, avyayam, tadanantaram Swar avyaya. Swarga, Naka, Tridiva, Tridashalayah, like that. Then they will talk about gods, then demigods, like that. And they talk about Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. It's a very interesting and very useful subject. When you get time, you please try to learn.
अमरकोश कुत्र अस्ति?
Online मध्ये अस्ति.
आपणे अस्ति.
But yeah, I think Vyoma Labs has one course, Amarakosha.
Yes.
I remember seeing it.
I have been teaching some kids because at their age, remembering is very easy. They can learn very fast. They are doing very well, some of them. So for adults, it's a bit difficult to by heart so many things. But we can do, with effort, we can do. And it will be very useful also.
That's what if you keep on doing again and again, at least something will go in the head.
As long as you are not replacing something else.
Yeah, one word goes in, another word comes out.
Yeah, that's right. We must make it a point by heart. That's all.
By constant practice, something will come.
Yes.
Nirandar prayatnam karotu. Nirandar prayatnah karotu.
Idaनीं कथां पश्यामः वा?
Didn't we finish this last time?
No, व्याकरणं न कृतवन्तः किल? Anwar, we only read the story and learned the meaning. That's all. So
I think for the first 2 paragraphs also we didn't, I think.
Okay, then we'll go to the next. Here, Anukshanam.
अनुक्षणं ममापि जिज्ञासा आरब्धा अहमपि न ज्ञातवान् न चिन्तितवान् च अनुक्षणं मम प्लस अपि अनुक्षणं अनुक्षणं अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन
अनुक्षणम् अव्ययं नास्ति वा?
अनुक्षणम् is अव्ययम्.
What does anukshanam mean? Research, right?
Instantly or immediately.
Anukshanam. Avayam.
Immediate. Kshanam, anukshanam. Immediately. Following.
Mamapi, mama plus api. Mama is asmad sabda. Dakaranta trishu lingeshu. Shashti vibhakti ekvachan. Api is avayam. Jigyasa is akaranta स्त्रीलिंग प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम
प्रथम विभक्ति वा प्रथम पुरुष
सॉरी प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम आरब्धा आरब्धा means started.
तदपि तावदेव स्त्रीलिंगम
आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम अहमपि अहम प्लस अपि अहम अस्मत् शब्द दकारान्त त्रिषु लिंगेषु प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम अपि इज अव्ययम न इज अव्ययम जातवान इज तवतु प्रत्यय तकारान्त जातवत् प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम न अव्ययम चिंतितवान इज चिंतितवत् तकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम च अव्ययम.
नेक्स्ट अजय महोदय.
मम अधिकारः आसीत् छात्राणां कृते प्रात्यक्षिकं सज्जीकुर्वन्तु इति कारयितुं. मम अस्मद् शब्दः षष्ठीविभक्ति एकवचन. मम अधिकारः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग एक प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन. आसीत
लंग लकार
प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन.
धातु अस्धातु.
थैंक यू. छात्राणां कृते छात्राणां इज
अकारान्त
पुल्लिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन. छात्राणां कृते
अव्यय
प्रात्यक्षिकम अकारान्त पुल्लिंग द्वितीय व्यक्ति एकवचन. सज्जीकुर्वन्तु कुर्वन्तु लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. इति कारयितुं. It is aware and karyatum is
tumen pratyaya.
Parameshwar.
Tuman pratyaya. Then so
Karayidum.
How do we say that?
Karayitum.
Karayiti.
Karayati is karayitum in Tumun.
Tuman pratyaya, we don't have like a vachana and all. I forgot.
No.
This is Abhay, I think.
Again Abhay.
तान् तस्मिन् पिपीलिकानां विद्ये अन्वेष्टुं प्रचोदितवान्. अतः is I think Abhay. तान् means some say तान्, that is
tat shabdah
द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं. तस्मिन् तत् शब्दः सप्तष्टि विभक्ति प्रथमा एकवचनं. पिपीलिकानां is pipilika is akaranga strilinga. Vidya बहुवचनं. Vidra is again akaranga strilinga.
द्वितीया नास्ति तत्र. पिपीलिकानां निद्रा.
कानाम is सप्तमी. षष्ठी बहुवचनं. निद्रा is akaranga strilinga प्रथमा एकवचनं. विषयः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः सप्तमी एकवचनं. अन्वेष्टुं again it is तुमन् प्रत्ययः. प्रचोदितवत् प्रथमा लङ्लकार तवतु प्रत्ययः. लङ्लकारः
न लङ् लकारः नास्ति.
लङ्लकारः नास्ति. तवतु प्रत्ययः
तवतु प्रत्ययः एव
प्रचोदयत् प्रतिपादिकम्
कृष्णा महोदय
Okay, ma'am. Anil Mahodaya, get ready. Te utsahena swaprakoshtham prati prasthitaha. Te id tad pradhama vibhakti bahuvachana pumlinga utsahena utsaha utsahena is ramena tritiya vibhakti utsaha right akaranta pumlinga tritiya vibhakti utsahena bahuvachana ekavachana utsahena ramena utsahena swaprakoshtaha is akaranta pumlinga प्रकोष्ठम द्वितीय विभक्ति प्रकोष्ठम एकवचन स्वप्रकोष्ठम प्रति is अव्यय प्रस्थिताः is it प्रस्थितः is it
प्रस्थित शब्दः
प्रस्थित शब्दः प्रस्थित शब्दः it's बहुवचन प्रस्थिताः
अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति
पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति बहुवचन
स्वप्ना महोदय
सरस्वती no she left.
हाँ सरस्वती
Can you scroll?
नास्ति अत्र हाँ सरस्वती महोदय अस्ति वा
Can you
Wants you to scroll it. Scroll the page, please.
Because I don't know how big the sentence is. Everybody has.
This is the big one.
Long one.
I think. Here it is.
A long sentence.
Okay. Aham Ashmat Shabdah Ashmat Dakaranta or Ashmat Shabdah only, right?
अस्मत् शब्दः
अस्मद् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं तस्मिन् दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः तस्मिन् सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं विषयः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं पाकशाला आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग पाकशाला शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं प्रति अव्यय दूरवाणी इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग दूरवाणी शब्दः वाण्या तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं संपर्कं
संपर्क शब्दः
संपर्क इज इट अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं संपर्क कृत्वा प्रत्यय कृत्वा I don't know. Part.
No, it's not pratyaya. Twa
pratyaya. कृत्वा पाचकः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग पाचक शब्दः प्रथमा द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं एका this is स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति ekavachanam. Kachakupi. Kupi. Ikaranta strilinga kachakupi shabdah dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
If Kachkupi is Dvitiya,
glass
then
bottle.
Eka also should be Dvitiya, right?
Ekam Kachakupi.
That is a mistake.
Typing it.
Last time also mistake was pointed out.
Yeah.
I forgot to correct it. I'll do it today.
Svikritya.
Lyap.
Svikritya.
Lyap pratyaya.
Lyapya pratyaya svikaroti. Svikrit. Tasyam dakaranta strilinga.
Tad sabdah.
Pardon?
Tad sabdah.
Tad shabdah. Tasyam is saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. Pipilika trayam. Pipilika trayam is
Samohavachaka shabdah. Like there are some words in that Krishna story also. Manavakadvayam iti asit kila. Tavadeva. Dvitayam, Tritayam, Chatushtayam. This Chatushtayam, I remember. This in Mahabharata. Dushta Chatushtayam. They used to talk about Shakuni, Duryodhana, Dushyasana, and Karna. They were.
What is it? Samoha Vachaka Shabda.
Samoha Vachaka Shabda.
Samoha Vachaka Shabda. So that is, I think, in neutral gender, in Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalingam. And same way, the Dvikam, Chatushkam, they are also Samoha Vachaka Shabdas only. Panchakam, then Shatkam, Navakam, Dashakam, they are all Samoha Vachaka Shabdas. You can note down that.
Samoga or
Samoha. Samoha, group.
Okay.
Samoha Vachaka Shabdah. Dvitayam, Tritayam, Chatushtayam, Dvikam, Chatushkam, then Panchakam, Shatkam, Navakam, Dashakam, like that. Such words, whenever you come across such words, you have to say they are Samoha Vachaka Shabdah. Napumsakalinga.
Is it Samoha or Samoha?
Samoha.
For the number, however many. 10th.
Last time we discussed, right? It can be in other vachana also. Other.
Trayam, Dvitiyam, it will be only.
Yes.
Apumsakam.
Only one form. That's all.
In Krishna story, we had other forms also, right?
No, I think that was from the book I copied. It was a printing mistake, I think.
Okay. But actually, the online.
Anyhow, I'll check again. But you will not find. Yes.
India dictionary also was showing multiple forms. Actually.
India, don't believe them. If you want proper dictionary, you have to go to Shabdartha Kalpadruma. That is the best one.
Is it online available?
Yes, it is available.
Shabdartha
Kalpadruma. That's the most authentic one.
Kalparupa.
Kalpadruma. Druma.
The Ashtadhyayi is very nice for dhatus.
धातुस् of अग्रिमम्
Okay. Pipilika Trayam is Samohavachaka Shabdah. Trayam. Vachakam. Purayitva. Tva Pratyaya. Tatra is Avyayam. Kinchit. Kinchit is also Avyayam. Kanda Sharkaram. Then Kanda Sharkara Strilinga. Akaranta Kanda Sharkara Strilinga Shabdaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Purayitva again same. Tva Pratyaya. Pidanikam same. Pidanika Sri Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Samstapya. Yep.
Samstapayadi.
Tasmin again tad shabdaha tad pullinga shabdaha saptami vibhakti ekavachanam.
अत्र पुल्लिङ्गः न आगच्छति.
तस्मिन् is three.
न अत्र रन्ध्रम् इति अस्ति किल, तस्मिन् एकं रन्ध्रम्
अस्ति,
अतः नपुंसकलिङ्गम्.
एकम् again नपुंसकलिङ्ग हकारान्त शब्दः. रन्ध्रं नपुंसकलिङ्गं रन्ध्रशब्दः प्रथम द्वितीया एकं
रन्ध्रं द्वितीया
विभक्ति एकवचनं. कृत्वा त्वा प्रत्यय
रन्ध्रम एक द्वितीय विभक्ति और प्रथमा विभक्ति नपुंसकलिंग.
द्वितीय
रन्ध्रम
कृत्वा.
Randram is I think Vidya, because that becomes karma object.
Somebody else is doing that action, so this should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti only. Krutva. Etebhyaha. Etebhyaha. Etat shabdaha. Etebhyaha. This is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Tebhyaha Dadatu. Dadatu is Lot Lakara. Dat. Datu. Dadane. Iti Avyaya. Oh.
Big challenge for you.
Tan is
this Tasmin here, is it referring to Pidanika?
Big challenge.
Pidanika. Tasmin in Pidanika.
Then it should have been Tashyam, right?
Yes. Tasyam ekam. Tasyam. Yeah, I'll make corrections.
Where? What did he say? Where is it?
Here. Tasmin ekam randhram.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Tasyam. Astu. Agrimam Swapna Mahoday.
Tan Dakaranta Pumlingah Tat Shabdah Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana. Sarvan.
Sarva Shabdah.
सर्वशब्दः
द्वितीया
विभक्ति बहुवचनं
तत्र सर्वनामशब्दः एवं वक्तुम् आवश्यकम्
ओके तत्र अव्यय
what did you say वक्तुम सर्वनाम we should say सर्वनाम
सर्वनाम शब्दाः सर्व शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गे अपि अस्ति स्त्रीलिङ्गे अपि अस्ति नपुंसकलिङ्गे अपि अस्ति
ओके गत्वा is tva pratyaya tam is
oh this also I have not corrected tam it should be tam
okay
tam kupim I'll
tam
do correction
okay tad shabda strilinga right tam yeah so dakaranta strilinga द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं ताम कूपीं विकारान्त कूपी शब्द द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं स्वीकृत्य त्यप प्रत्यय राइट ल्यप ओके ल्यप प्रत्यय गच्छन्तु इज लोट लकार बहुवचन प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रथमा पुरुष बहुवचन
धातु धातु किम् अस्ति
गम धातु
इति अव्यय सूचितवान् तवतु प्रत्यय सूचितवत् शब्दः अपि अव्यय also I wanted to also get some clarification from Anila Mahodaya. You asked a lot of questions on WhatsApp. I would like to hear the final resolution. What was your questions and how it was resolved? Because there's so much chatter, so I couldn't really follow. So afterwards, after. Anila Mahodaya.
Ajay Mahodaya can go ahead.
तथा अगच्छन् ते प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन तत्शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन पुल्लिंग तथा is अव्यय agachan is
tatha isn't it tatha plus eva
tatha eva
tat plus eva
both are avyam
not avyam
agachan is gam dhatu
lang
lang lakara prathama purush bahuvachan
No, it is not bahuvachana, is it?
Agachan is
agachat.
Tathaiva meanings, what is the meaning? Tathaiva?
Tada eva.
Tatha eva.
Tatha. Therefore, tatha is therefore, right? Ajay Mahodaya, you want to read one more?
किंचित
कालानन्तरम् अव्ययम्
किंचित कालानन्तरं तेषां प्रकोष्ठं तेषां is तद शब्द स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी व्यक्ति बहुवचन
षष्ठी बहुवचन
तेषां प्रकोष्ठ
स्त्रीलिंगा right it's pumlinga right no
tesham tasam right strilinga tesham
is pullinga eva
yeah tasya tayoho tesham
pullinga
प्रकोष्ठम
So what was kinchit kalantaram?
Avyayam.
After some time.
Kinchit is avyayam. Kalanantaram also avyayam.
Kala plus anantaram. Kalanantaram.
प्रकोष्ठम नपुंसकलिंग.
No. प्रकोष्ठः पुल्लिंग है.
पुल्लिंग द्वितीय वचन द्वितीय व्यक्ति एक वचन. प्रति अव्यय मम इज अश्मत शब्दः. मम अश्मत शब्दः. षष्ठी विभक्ति. पादौ चलितौ. पादौ पादशब्दः. कारान्तः
पुल्लिंग.
प्रथमा व्यक्ति द्विवचन. चलितौ इज चल धातु.
क्रिया नास्ति.
चलित शब्दः.
ओके. चलित शब्द प्रथमा पुरुष प्रथमा व्यक्ति द्विवचन.
तत्र तस्यां कूप्यां पिपीलिकात्रयं सञ्चरन् अस्त्येव. तत्र अव्ययं तस्यां तद् दकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग. तस्यां सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचनम. कूप्यां कूपी इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचनम. पिपीलिकात्रयं समूहवाचक शब्द. संचरनि शत्री प्रत्यय अस्तेव. अस्ति प्लस एव. अस्ति इज अस् धातु. प्रथम पुरुष एक वचनम. एव अव्ययम. एकस्य एक शब्द. कारांत पुल्लिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचनम. हरितवर्णः. हरितवर्णः अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एक वचनम. एकस्य अकारांत पुल्लिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचनम. रक्तवर्णम प्रथम विभक्ति अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एक वचनम. अन्यः अन्य शब्द प्रथम विभक्ति अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एक वचनम. नीलवर्ण शब्द अकारांत पुल्लिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचनम. एव अव्ययम.
Sancharan was good.
Sancharan. Okay. Sancharan. What प्रत्यय?
Shatri.
शत्रु पुल्लिंगः. That is helpful.
ing words.
स्त्रीलिंगे अस्ति चेत् संचरन्ति will come.
संचरन्. स्त्रीलिंगे संचरन्ति.
किमर्थम् एवम् इति प्रश्नं कृतवान् अहं. किमर्थम् is again अव्यय. एवम् also अव्यय. इति also अव्यय. प्रश्नं again प्रश्नं is प्रश्न शब्दः. अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रश्न शब्द द्वितीय एकवचनं. कृतवान् तत् प्रत्ययः तवत् प्रत्ययः कृतवत् शब्दः. अहम् अस्मत् शब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्गः प्रथम एकवचनं. एताः अभिज्ञातुं सुलभाः भवन्ति इति
प्रश्नं
प्रश्नः शब्दः
प्रश्नशब्दः
प्रश्नशब्दः
द्वितीया विभक्ति
एताः अभिज्ञातुं सुलभाः भवन्ति इति उक्तवन्तः एतत् शब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्गः बहुवचनं प्रथमाविभक्ति बहुवचनम् अभिज्ञातुं सुमन् प्रत्ययः अभिज्ञातुं सुलभः शब्दः अकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गः प्रथमा बहुवचनं भवन्ति भूधातु लट् लकार
सुलभा इज बहुवचनम राइट
सुलभः बहुवचनं सुलभः भवन्ति भूधातु लट् लकारः बहुवचनम् इति प्रत्यय इति अन्वयः अव्ययः उक्तवन्तः तवदु दवद् प्रत्ययः उक्तवत् शब्दः बहुवचनं
कृष्ण महोदय
You scroll up, man.
scroll
अतः एव प्रयोगालयं गत्वा तेषां वर्णलेपनं कृत्वा नीतवन्तः इति अतः is अव्ययम् अतः is अव्ययम् एव is अव्ययम् प्रयोगालयः is प्रयोगालय शब्द अकारान्त पुंलिंग प्रयोगालयम् is द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचनं गत्वा is त्वा प्रत्यय गम धातु तेषां is तेषां तत् शब्दः तेषां
चतुर्थी षष्ठी विभक्ति
तस्य तयोः तेषां
स्त्रीलिंग
here also
पुल्लिंग
here also tasam
tasam. तासां
so many mistakes okay
तासां
वर्णलेपनं कृत्वा वर्णलेपनं कृत्वा so वर्णलेपनं
this tasam is referring to what here
pipilika
वर्णलेपन शब्दः अकारान्त पुंलिंग प्रथम द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचनं कृत्वा त्वा प्रत्यय
तत्र धातु किमस्ति
वर्णलेपनः is it no
धातु is a lip dhatu lipyati
oh
like
lip varna is
varna lepanam okay I just wanted to say
yes ma'am आनीतवन्तः is आनीतवत् शब्द बहुवचन आनीतवत् right बहुवचन प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन इति is अव्यय
आनीतवन्तः is तवतु प्रत्यय
तवतु
so it won't be prathama vibhakti right
no prathama eva
it will be
आनीतवान् आनीतवन्तौ आनीतवन्तः
okay
सरस्वती महोदय
oh sorry
अन्ये अन्ते is सप्तमी विभक्ति अन्त शब्दः पुल्लिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं महता इज आकारान्त स्त्री स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम
No, no, it is not Ekojanam.
Mahat.
Akshana is a Tridya. So that also be Tridya.
Mahat would be Mahata. Mahat
Tridya.
Pratyaya.
Shabdaha.
This is
Mahat Shabdaha Tridya.
Visheshana.
Visheshana Shabdaha.
Takaranta.
Mahat Shabdaha. Mahat Shabdaha.
Takaranta Mahat Shabda.
It is Takaranta. And then it is Tritya Vibhakti Ekvachana.
Harshena. Harshena is Tritya Vibhakti here also.
Yeah.
This is Tritya Vibhakti, so this also should be Tritya Vibhakti. Harshena. Harsha Shabdaha. Pullinga. Harsha Pullinga Shabdaha. Tritya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mama. Asmat Shabdaha.
Trilingaha. Trilingaha.
Trishulinga.
Mama. Trilingakaha. Trilingakaha. Trilingaka Shabdaha.
Trilingakaha Shabdaha. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Trilingaka Shabdaha. Iti vadatu.
Trilingaka Shabdaha. Asmat Shabda. No? Asmat Trilingaka Shabdaha. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Samipam Agaman. Samipam Agaman is same thing like that. Shatru. Shatru Pratyaya.
Not Shatru, right?
Shatru. You have to be careful. Otherwise, it becomes enemy.
Make him a friend only. Not a
Shatru becomes our enemy then. Yeah.
Samipam is
Near.
yeah. It's Avyam or
No, near.
Samipam Agaman.
Samipam is Samipe. So it is a
Samipa Shabdaha.
Samipam.
adjective.
Yeah.
So is qualifying what here?
Samipa Shabdaha.
Samipa Shabdaha. It's not
Coming near.
Samipam is I think neutral gender. Samipam.
So then it is independent word, right?
But when you join it, it becomes it get the quality of that joined word. Samasam. You get samasam. It gets the quality of the joined word.
Joined word is Agaman.
Samipam Agaman was joined ho gaya na. So it will get that quality.
Yeah, but Agaman is Shatri, right?
Yeah, so it will become just one word. That is what I think. I am also not sure.
Yeah, but Agaman doesn't have any declination, right? Declension.
So Samipam is Shatru Shabda.
Agaman is Shatru. It has.
Shatri. So it is Prathama Ekvachanam then, right?
If you want to break it, it will be Samipam Agaman. Samipam is again I think neutral gender.
No, so is it Agaman also Napunchaklinga?
No, Agaman Pullinga hai.
Shatru.
Agaman, Agamantau.
Agaman is pulling, right? Then Samipaha it should be, right? Samipaha Agaman.
Samipam Agaman.
No. I am trying to understand if Samipa is qualifying Agaman, then it should match with that.
Can it change? Samipa Agaman.
Samipaha Agaman.
No, no.
Samipaha is not there. Samipam Agama.
So Samipam is avayam.
Samipam
Samoha. I don't know.
The Samipa, it says.
Just like
Samipam.
Antaha, Upari, like that it is, right? Samipam is close. Near.
Andha we are all interclaimable. And this is Samipam maybe Navusa Lingam. But when they join together, it become a join different word. This is the quality of Samipam. That's what I think.
Okay.
It is not an avyayam because sometimes we say Samipe.
Samipe.
Yeah,
No,
actually, in the dictionary it says it is an adverb also.
Yes.
Samipam.
Sometimes it acts as adverb.
So here it may be acting as an adverb. So that's why it is Samipam only.
Kriya Visheshanam.
Kriya Visheshanam, then it doesn't decline. But Agaman is not Kriya, right?
Yes.
Agama is Kriya, no? Agama is Kriya.
It is not. It is not. Satri, it is Satri Pratyaya.
Satraprayaga. Satrapratyaya. So it is not a Kriya, but it is related to the Kriya.
Yeah, but it is. It has a Pratipadikam and it declines, so it can't be Kriya.
Okay, we will discuss this later. We will go further.
Arya is Sambodhana Vibhakti. Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga Shabdaha. Pipilikaha Pratama Vibhakti Eka Bahuvachanam. Strilinga Akaranta Strilinga Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Atantaha is
Shatru.
Bahuvachanam. It is Bahuvachanam.
Atati.
Adandaha. Adando, Adanda.
Oh. Okay.
Eva is Pratyaya. Sorry, Avyayam, not Pratyaya.
Atanta.
I'm tired. My brain is tired now. Oh my God.
No, it should. Pipilika is Striling, right?
Yes. I was expecting.
Adandi. Should be Adandi.
Now I know where Anil Mahodaya will question.
Atantyaha, right?
Adandi
This translation was done by somebody. At that time I didn't notice actually. I simply typed whatever was there.
Pipilikaha Atanti.
Adantyaha.
Atantyaha.
Atantyaha.
Atanti, Atantyau, Atantyah.
Oh, okay.
Shatra, Strilingam.
Eva is Avyayam. Bhavanti is Bhudatu. Bahuvachanam. Latlakara. Prathama Purusha. Bahuvachanam. Yada Kadapi. Avyayam. Api is Avyayam.
Yada Kada Api.
Yada plus Kada plus Api.
Somehow. Kadapi. Shrantaha is again the same.
It is not somehow. It is
Whenever.
When. So sometimes.
Kada, yeah, when.
Sometime.
Whenever, like that it will come.
Yada kada. Whenever.
Shrantaha is same thing like
Shanta Shabda.
Shranta Shabda Strilingam Atra.
Strilinga. Bahuvachanam.
Shranta,
Shranta.
right?
Shranta.
Pratama vibhakti.
Strilinga will become Shranta, right?
Shranta eva asti atra.
But Bahuvachanam, no? Bahuvachanam Shrantaha.
Shranta, Shrante, Shrantaha.
That's right. So sub word is Shranta.
There is no typing error there.
It's tiredness, getting tired.
Pratipadi becomes Shranta, right? Shranta.
Shranta is Ekavachanam.
I stand
Yeah, Pippi,
corrected. I said it wrong.
Shranta shabdah pullinge Shrantaha, Shrantau, Shrantaha. Strilinge Shranta, Shrante,
Shrante,
Shranta.
Shrantaha.
Oh, so Striling, Pulling both has same Pratipadikam.
Yes.
Okay.
Just like
Pratipadikam
Dhatu Shabdaha, we can change. Bhavat also same Pratipadikam, right? Bhavat,
Yeah,
Bhava.
but Bhavati is different, right? That's what.
No. Shanta.
Bhavati is different Pratikam.
Chet is Avyayam. Agrima.
Agrima padav, you make it a single word.
Agrima. Agraja.
Agrima padav, you make it a single word.
Agrima padav is then it will become dvivachanam.
Pada shabdah.
Pratama vibhakti dvivachanam. Pullinga shabdah. Sorry, my brain is tired. I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, then we will stop actually.
When it's unable to think.
Anila Mohoday, can you quickly tell me what your doubts were and how it was clarified? It was for homework, right? Homework 44?
Actually, see, one doubt was not for homework 44. It was the Yaha sequence doubt. Okay, so it was 42 homework question 2C. So in the video I saw, right, so they were using one combination, but then we discussed and we figured out that there are many possible answers for the same question. Okay. So that's what we were discussing, and what are the other possibilities, that's where we were discussing.
Okay.
We're talking about Bhavatyai Rochate. Is that the one?
Yeah. So,
Bhavatyai Rochate dash Dehi.
Yeah, exactly. That was the main discussion point there.
Tasya Bhavatyai Rochate, something you told like that, but that does not make sense. Actually, that usage should be, the meaning should be there in the sentence. But you are emphasizing on the usage. So that is why you are made a mistake.
No, so
the usage is correct. The usage is correct, but the sentence does not make sense. That is the reason. That is why it has got a lot of.
Yeah, so that I am still not clear. I am still actually.
That example still come to know, because that particular usage is correct. What you told us say Bhavatyai, that is correct. But when you say make it a sentence, that does not make a meaning. That was the reason why she changed the sentence.
So that's what, for me, somehow it was making meaning also. So that's where the doubt was.
Now you are telling, you are emphasizing on the usage. That is why you changed it. Tasmay, then it should be Bhavate. So you are telling that it should match. But where that particular sentence, it not fit in. That's why she changed the sentence in different way.
Yeah, so for example, if I want to say, it is like Bhavatya is like referring to a lady, right? That's what it is.
Bhavatyai.
Yeah, Bhavatya is esteemed you kind of thing, self, lady, basically. So if it is like esteemed lady, she likes, right? So then can't it be like Bhavatyai Rochate is there, Bhavatyai Rochate is there. So whoever lady likes. So then can't I put it like Yashai Bhavatyai Rochate?
That particular sentence does not make sense.
No, it can't. Both cannot be used like that.
No, but how do I say whoever lady likes?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Which lady likes her?
Hmm.
That's the which lady likes it, give it to her. That way, that is that is
Ya
the
Mahila.
No, but Mahila has to be in Chaturthi, right? Because it is Rochate.
Mahilayai.
If it is Mahilayai, then the Sarvanam qualifying it should be also in Chaturthi.
What was your question? What was the sentence actually?
So the sentence actually started with Bhavatyai. So Bhavati, I understood it is Prathama Puru. Matlab, Bhavati is like the first person. So basically, I said Bhavatyai or Mahilai, both should be identical. I can use one or the other.
No, Bhavati is used in the like you saying you. Yes, yay is used for somebody else. That you must remember, isn't it?
Okay, so Bhavate is because we treat that also as a first person,
Yes,
right?
we treat it that way, but that doesn't mean it is somebody else. It is you.
Okay. Oh, it can't be like whichever of you.
No.
Whichever of you like.
It is dash bhavatyai rochate dash dehi.
Yeah. So tashe dehi, give it to them. Give it to her.
Bhavatyai
Tashe dehi is fine. So the first one you were trying to other possibility. So whichever you like to put, whichever of you like, we'll give to you. Whichever of you. There are so many. Whichever of you like.
In which book is this question posed?
This is a Pravesh Pustika
10.
1. 10? 10. 10.
दशम पुस्तिकायाम् अस्ति वा? अहम् एकवारं पुटसङ्ख्यां जानाति वा? Page number.
Page number I'll tell you. In fact, the answer there is even more interesting. It says Tasmahi. I'm just opening it. I'll tell you.
अहम् एकवारं तत् पठित्वा तदनन्तरं वदामि. And adya I wanted to do this also. This lung and rung. Time is over, so we will do it in the next class.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we will. I'll send. Yes.
So when I look at that, the dictionary, the French dictionary, I don't know what is it.
Infria.
Infria. So they have this for lang lakara. They have parasmay padi, and atmane pade, and another one is called karmani pade.
Karmani prayoga.
Karmani prayoga. So when do we use that?
When you use passive voice, you use karmani prayoga. See, some verb have got two forms, Admanabadi forms and Parasmabadi forms.
उभयपदिनः केचन शब्दाः उभयपदिनः केचन शब्दाः परस्मैपदिनः केचन शब्दाः आत्मनेपदिनः like that. Some are only found only in parasmaipadi, some of them are found only in atmanepadi, some of them are found in both Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi.
Atmane and Paraspe both are Kartari Prayoga?
Usually Kartari eva. Sometimes we find in Karmani Prayogam also.
Like Pachati, you can use in both. Pachati, yes. Pachade, Pachade.
Pachati, so Pachati, yes. Pachati if you use it for, if you are cooking for somebody else, without any expectation maybe, that is Parasmaipadi. If the cook cooks, then
self consumption. Then Pachati. Pachate.
If mother cooks, she won't have any expectation. Like she doesn't gain anything by cooking. She will only feed the family, isn't it? So then it becomes then it becomes Atmanepadi.
But still that is a Kartari Prayoga only, right?
Kartari.
Kartari Prayoga only. Pachade is a Karmani Prayoga. Pachade.
So first two are both are Kartari then. There are two forms. For oneself or others kind of thing.
No, that was the initial. I think nowadays.
Kartari means active voice. What does it mean?
Kartari is the active voice.
Garudaha dayate. Dayate is flies, isn't it? That is Atmaneva. It doesn't fly for others. It is for its own self. Like.
So in that even the Karmani Prayoga also was sounding like Atmanepadi only.
It is Atmanepadi form. But it is not Atmanepadi.
But there is difference. There is difference that we will do when we come to that part.
Yeah, in the homework they were asking for to write it in all like Langlakara and all those things. So I wasn't sure which one to choose.
Today I wanted to do that anyhow.
Next class,
look at Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is very nice.
Yeah, it was only Parasmaipadi, Aisha.
The word they mentioned is Kartari Prayoga, right? So I think it is Parasmaipadi. And it is 17 of Pustika 10.
Saptadasha Pustikayam. Dashama Pustikayam. Saptadasha
Prishta.
Haripriya ji, I have the question that how to get the Pravesh book. I got a Pravesh book from Sanskrit Bharati and it's completely different from which I am getting the homework.
So you have this?
No, not this one. I got this one.
It will be same only.
The language is different or what?
No, the complete, it is just one, it has 12 patha and...
Yeah, that is same.
Same.
In which language it is? It is Sanskrit plus English or Sanskrit plus some other language?
It is Sanskrit plus Hindi.
So that is a different color. She is having English, I think.
No.
Swapna is having English and you are having...
he is talking about content.
Your content is I'm talking
about. Page numbers may be different.
I have English and some
Sanskrit. You are English Sanskrit. She is having English. Hindi.
It's all the same. It's just everything is in one book, but what they have referred is small books.
Content won't change because
it is a common exam.
Ajay Mahodaya, look at lesson 10 in your book.
Dashamaha Pataha.
Dashamaha Patham Pashyatu.
Dashamaha Patham
Pashyatu.
Bhavan Dashamaha Patham Pashyatu.
Ajay
Mahodaya.
Sambodhana.
So Dashamam Padam. It should be Dashamam Padam, no?
It
should be Dashamam.
Is that page 176?
Anil will point out the mistake. We learned a lot from
I just combined everything. Dashama Pataha. Dashamam Pataha. I didn't. It will be Dashama Pataha, right?
Page 181.
181, okay.
Yeah, but if you say Dasama Pata Pashyatu to Dasamam Patham Pashyatu, because here
Dashamam Patham Pashyatu. Ahamapi Dashamam Patham Pathitva Tadanantaram no.
But how did they jump from, they were studying second, right? And how did they jump to 10?
See, without Jaykumarji, they are running from 1, 2, 3. Jaykumarji is coming from 10, 9 and things like that.
Oh, like that? Okay.
Jaykumarji says 1, 2 is yours level. I will teach you from 10.
But this homework was very difficult.
Yes.
What was there in this homework?
We don't know the basics.
Though it was short, but it very.
What was
went to
there
write-
for homework?
Yeah, I wanted to write lung.
Ring Lagara is what is new one, which was not taught.
Okay. I'll send that slide in WhatsApp. You people can try.
But ring was okay, right? Ring was not a problem.
Not a problem, correct.
The others, yeah, that again they give just things and you form your sentence, own sentence.
Right.
Yeah, that is the meaning
Pradhanamantri
changes.
Modi, and then you feel what do I don't know. I'm not that expert in making it.
Yeah.
So
I've
there
written
another
some-
question I have.
And that
Actually,
too,
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, if it is Yedi Tarhi, you can write